Not only is it rude, it's apparently against the law in Minneapolis. Spitting on a public sidewalk. Who knew? Miles Thomas apparently didn't.
Well, I was just kind of walking to get some pizza with some buddies.
Miles spit while he was walking, which he quickly learned is illegal in Minneapolis.
I actually was shocked. I was just like, wow.
Police officers saw him hock a loogie and wrote him a spit citation, which carries a hefty fine. According to the ordinance, if you spit on sidewalks, bus, or public areas, it's a $115 misdemeanor. The law isn't unique to Minneapolis. St. Paul has a similar one too. If you're in a park or on a boat, watch out. Spitting on the floor or furnishing of a boat, canoe, building, or walkway is illegal too. If you're caught doing that, it will also cost you $115.
A little wacky. I mean, what can you do though? It is a law. You're supposed to obey the laws of the land.
Even though the law has left a bad taste in his mouth, Miles says he's sucking it up and paying the fine. But he'll know better next time.
For spitting, I guess I'll just have to bring a bag or something and spit in the bag. I don't know.
Or just swallow your spit, Miles.